So hello friends, in today's video we will show how you can install NodeJS and how you can install NPM. Okay, so for that, first of all you need to search command prompt. Okay, so here command prompt is opened. Okay, now write the command sudo apt cache node.js. Okay, now give your password. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see that will not come. Okay, so here you can see the latest is version is 16 and 17. Now come to our command prompt. Here if you click sudo apt install node.js, then actually by default, if here you can see in here you can see that sudo apt cache show node.js. Here if you download the code through this command, then it will download the version 10.19.0, but as you are I have already shown that the latest version is 16 and that so latest version is 16 and the current version is 17 latest. The so now actually if you now go to other downloads. If you go to the other downloads, then you will come here. Now you need to click on installing node.js via package manager. Okay, so click here Debian and USB based Linux distributions. Okay, so just click that, it will come directly here Debian and USB based Linux distribution, and as I am doing this in my Ubuntu machine, so now go to the node.js binary distribution. Okay, so if you go to the node.js binary distribution, okay, so here it will it will take you to the GitHub link. Okay, I will attach this link in my description box. You can download it directly. If you do not follow these steps, you can directly come to this link and you can download the file. Here this is for Ubuntu, what are the Ubuntu version it is supporting. Okay, and now come to below, and here you can see that node.js version 17. Okay, version 17x, and this is 16x, 14, 12, all the version whichever you is required for your project. So you can download that. As I am doing fresh start, so I am downloading it, I am downloading the latest version. Okay, so just copy this and open the command prompt. You do not need to place this command sudo apt install. Okay, now paste it and enter. Oh, okay, so here actually the curl also not found for me, as curl is not installed. Okay, so I need to install the curl command through this command which is suggested here. So actually I am creating this video for this tutorial only, so I am doing all from the scratch. Okay, so yeah, I am pausing the video a bit because it will take time. Yeah, now apt install curl, this command, just paste it. Okay, it will also take some time, so I am pausing it. Okay, come back again. Now the command which was there, I have copied it from the GitHub link. That link I have pasted. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, now the next command which is there, sudo apt install y node.js. Okay, so if you paste it, so yeah, it will also take some time. Okay, it is done, it is also done. Okay, now we can check the node version. Okay, node hyphen version. Okay, let me, okay, it is come down below, so let me clear the screen first here. Okay, now node hyphen version, if you check the node version, it is 17.4.0, and whenever you will download the node, the process which I have shown you, in this process, if you download the node, that time your npm will automatically installed with it. Okay, npm version 8.3.1. okay, So node and npm both has been installed, correct. Okay, now there are another procedure I have shown you in one step. There is another, if you want to, suppose you are handling 3 or 4 project, and in one project it is version 17, another project it is version 15, another project it is version 10. At that time what you need to do, you need to install nvm. Okay, I will create a separate video for that. So okay, for the time being, that's it. Thanks a lot.